Good morning, my dear students. We are in Unit 17, Plant Kingdom lesson. In the previous class, we discussed about bryophytes, pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Today, I will help you to know about the angiosperms and remaining part of the lesson. First, angiosperms. The term angiosperm is derived from the two Greek words. Angio means box or closed and sperma means seed. Let's see the saline features of the angiosperms. All the angiosperms are flowering plants with at least 260,000 living species. These angiosperms are used as food, clothing fiber, medicine as well as timber. Its habitat is ubiquitous. That means it may be in a form of herb, shrub or giant trees. The transportation is through the vascular bundle. You know about vascular bundle? Xylem and phloem tissues are there helping in transportation. Xylem help in transportation of water and phloem helps in transportation of food. The ovules are enclosed within the carpels of the ovary. What about the post-fertilization change? Here the ovary will be modified into fruit. Ovules will become the seed and seeds have cotyledons. Can you see the picture? Yeah, varieties of flowering plants I have shown you. All these are coming under angiosperms. Fruit yielding, vegetable yielding, all these are coming under this angiosperms only. It may be in a form of herb or shrub or even trees. Let's see the classification of angiosperms. It is classified into two types, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Monocot, dicot. What's that monocot, dicot? Mono means what? Single. Monocotyledon means single cotyledon will be present in the seed. So, monocotyledonous are flowering plants whose seeds have only one cotyledon. This is important to be known. Mono means what? One. So the seed is having only one cotyledon. What about the root system? This monocotyledons have fibrous root system. And venation is parallel venation. Parallel venation means, you see in the picture, the leaves, the veins in the leaves are parallel to each other. You have seen the banana plant. So the venation will be parallel to each other. So all the monocotyledons have got parallel venation in the leaves. What about the flowers? Calyx and corolla fuse to form perianth. The floral parts are three or set of three. Example, grass, paddy, maize, wheat, etc. See, these are the example of monocotyledons. Maize, corn, sugarcane, coconut, rice and many more. Only few examples I have shown you here. And next, let's see about dicotyledon. Dicotyledons are flowering plants whose seeds have two cotyledons. Di means what? Two. Monocotyledon has only one cotyledon in the seed and dicotyledons have two cotyledons in the seed. Peas, beans, all these are coming under two cotyledons. So dicotyledons. All the dicotyledons have got taproot system and it has got reticulate venation. In monocotyledon, we saw parallel venation is present in the leaf, isn't it? So here in dicotyledon, reticulate venation. So here the venations are not parallel to each other. You can see veins are moving in different directions, so that we can say it as reticulate venation. So all dicotyledons have got reticulate venation. Calyx as well as corolla are distinct in nature. Floral parts 4 or 5 or set of 4 to 5. Here for dicotyledons example, bean, pea, mango or neem. These are the examples of dicots: oranges, guavas, mango, chili and many more. Only few examples I've shown you here. So finally we have discussed about the types of angiosperms. What are the types? Dicotyledon as well as monocotyledon. Monocotyledon are the plants whose seeds have only one cotyledon. Example, coconut, rice and bananas. Dicotyledons have got two cotyledons in the seed. Example, beans, orange, mangoes. Next, let's see about the taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description and nomenclature of the living organism. I'll explain you the nomenclature, what it is. The word noma means laws. Taxus means arrangement. So taxonomy, the word taxonomy, taxus means arrangement, nomas mean law. The word taxonomy was first coined by Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. So he only first coined the word taxonomy. Next, let's see the classification. The plants are arranged into different groups and categories on the basis of similarities and the differences. That's called as classification. There are 4 types of classification: artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification and modern system of classification. Artificial system of classification is the earliest system of classification in plants. Actually, in artificial system, the plants are classified on the basis of the structure, that is morphological characters. This was first proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in the book Species Plantarum. So, who classified Carolus Linnaeus? This is the first classification. See the Carolus Linnaeus. He is the father of taxonomy. Why? He classified the plants on the basis of morphological character. Morphology means structural characters. And next, Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. He introduced the term taxonomy in the year of 1813. That means the arrangement of living organism based on laws. And next comes Bentham and Hooker. He only introduced the natural system of classification. In the natural system of classification, plants are classified on the basis of several characters. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. The system of classification is based on the morphology as well as reproductive characters. So earlier I said artificial system was classified based on the morphological characters, but natural system is based on the morphology as well as reproductive characters. So Bentham and Hooker only published this natural system of classification in their book named General Plantarum in 3 volumes. This classification is widely used in many herbaria. Herbaria means collection of dried plants and botanical gardens all over the world. So remember these three scientists. Carolus Linnaeus, he is a father of taxonomy. Augustin Pyramus de Candolle, he only introduced the term taxonomy. Bentham and Hooker, he classified the plants based on the morphological and reproductive characters of the seeded plants. That is, he only introduced the natural system of classification. And next, let's see about the binomial nomenclature. The naming of an organism with two words is known as binomial nomenclature. So Carolus Linnaeus used this nomenclature system for the first time and proposed a scientific name of all plants and animals. He is a founder of binomial system. Linnaeus proposed scientific name for plants in the book Species Plantarum. And the nomenclature is giving distinct scientific names to various structures including living organisms for their identification. There are two types. The names are of two types. Vernacular is a common name, and then scientific name. So what you should know, what is botanical nomenclature? The system of naming the plants on scientific basis is known as botanical nomenclature. So the binomial name was first introduced by Gaspard Bochen in the year of 1623. See the picture. The system of binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus in the book Species Plantarum. And in 1623, Gaspard Bochen introduced the term binomial name. And then in this binomial nomenclature, each scientific name has two components. Very important, children. Each scientific name of the plant has got two components. One is generic name, another one is specific name or species name. So for all the scientific name, for all the plants, scientific name is given. So the first word is genus and the second word is species. For example, potato, the species name, by genus name as well as species name are given under the binomial nomenclature. For potato, Solanum tuberosum, and for mango, Mangifera indica. So binomial name of mango is what? Mangifera indica. Binomial name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. In this, first word is genus, second word is species. So that's how the botanical name or scientific name is given to all the plant varieties. And next, let's see the division of the spermatophyta. That means seeded plants are divided into three categories based on the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. What are they? Dicotyledon, gymnospermae, monocotyledon. What are they? Dicotyledon, gymnospermae and monocotyledon. Dicotyledon, you know, all the dicotyledons. Gymnospermae means all the necked seeded plants. Monocotyledon means single cotyledon is present in the seed. So it is classified into three categories. All the seeded plants are classified into three categories. This is the flow chart which is given in your textbook, page number 200. Outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. So how many classes? Three classes. Dicotyledon, gymnospermae, monocotyledon. Here subclasses which are coming under dicotyledon you see. Under dicotyledon, polypeptyle, gamopetalae and monocalamidae. What are they? Polypetalae, gamopetalae and monocalamidae. So these are the subclasses which are coming under dicotyledon. And then let's see the series. Under each classes. First, polypetalae. Under polypetalae means what? This polypetalae has got free petals. Gamopetalae has got fused petals. Monocotyledon has got no petals. So here petals are absent. Now coming under the polypetalae, three categories, three series are there. Thalomophyrae, decifoliae and calcifoliae. Three series are coming under polypetalae. What are they? Thalomophyrae, decifoliae and calcifoliae. And then under gamopetalae, three series are there. Inferae, heteromerae and bicarpellate. Under monocotyledon, 8 series and 36 family are there. So monocotyledon, the embryo are curved round and the endosperm as well as ovule are present. That is, embryo is curved around the endosperm and the ovule. And regarding this series as well as classes, you will learn in detail in the future classes. If I want to tell you, Thalomophylae is a kind of a plant which has got petal and stamen under the ovary. Decifoliae means nectariferous disc will be surrounding the base of the ovary. Calcifoliae means petals as well as stamen or epigynous. Then inferior means ovary or inferior. Heteromera means ovary are superior. Bicarpellate means two carpel and equal or less number of stamen will be present. So this is about the series. So these are the outline of Bentham as well as Hooker system of classification. So you will learn in detail in the higher classes. Next, let me continue with the medicinal plants which are coming under the angiosperms. We'll see about the medicinal plants. Many medicinal plants are available. We are going to discuss few varieties. Today we will see about Kuppaimeni, Vilvam, Thuduvalai, Keelanelli and aloe vera. First, let's see about Kuppaimeni. Scientific name. Actually, what is medicinal plant? Plants are useful to us in many ways, isn't it? Some plants along with their parts are used as medicine. So, regarding this medicinal plants only we are going to see. Only 5 varieties I have listed for you. Acalypha indica. Scientific name is what? Acalypha indica. It belongs to the family Euphobiaceae. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns on the skin. The juice of this plant leaves is mixed with the lemon juice to cure the ringworm. It's a fungal infection. And next, let's see about vilvam. Agal mermelos. The scientific name is agal mermelos. It belongs to the family Rutaceae. The unripe fruit of this tree is used to treat indigestion. It's used to cure chronic diarrhea as well as dysentery. Next, Thuduvalai. Scientific name Solanum trilobatam. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. The leaves as well as fruits of this plant cure cough as well as cold. It is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis as well as bronchial asthma. Tuberculosis, TB, as well as bronchial asthma. Both are coming under respiratory tract infection, which affects the lungs. So for that, Toothvelai is used. Next, Keelanelli. Philanthus amaris is a scientific name. Philanthus amaris. Sorry. It belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. So this already we saw Euphorbiaceae. One more variety we saw Cuppemani, isn't it? Keelanelli also belongs to the same family Euphorbiaceae. The entire plant is used for the treatment of jaundice, yellow fever, that is jaundice. It gives additional strength to the human liver and it is used to treat other liver disorders. So this cares for the internal organ liver. What plant? Keelanelli. And next, aloe vera. In Tamil we say it as Sothukathalai. It belongs to the family Liliaceae. The leaves of this plant is used to cure piles and inflammation on the skin. And also it cures the peptic ulcer. So we have discussed about few medicinal plants and their uses. With this, the lesson comes to the end. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.